Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week I will be planning my birthday week using the Organized Magic It's Your Birthday kit. This is the Happy Planner kit that I ordered a while back, but I'm using it in my Erin Condren all the same, and you'll see some of these stickers are missing. I actually used this back in July of 2018 for my niece's birthday. Here I'm starting with some date covers from Simply Watercolor Co. I put the first date cover on, but then I realized that you could see the numbers through it, and so I decided to use my MT white washi tape to cover up the printed dates and numbers, and then put the Simply Watercolor Co. date cover back on. Some pink glitter headers. These do not come as part of the kit, but these are available in the Organized Magic shop, and so I decided to use the pink glitter header just because I felt like it kind of drew the kit together and made everything just look pretty and pink and sparkly for my birthday week. And as mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is the Happy Planner kit, and so of course the boxes are longer than the Erin Condren boxes, but that doesn't bother me at all. And that's one thing I like about the Organized Magic kits, is that they come both in the classic Happy Planner and the Erin Condren vertical. Next, I am putting down my half boxes, and since the full boxes were longer than was needed for the Erin Condren, I had to use my ruler to measure up, to line up where the boxes would go, and so I put these half boxes down here. So I used the important headers to put across the bottom of the page for each of the days of the week, and then I went in with the 3 line checklists, the ombre checklists for the week, and put that down for every day of the week as well. After my checklists were down, I then went in with these cupcake headers and put those on the bottom of the middle box and put that for the whole week as well. And now I'm finally moving on to my bottom washi, and if you've watched the previous videos that I have posted, you know that washi is what I usually start with. But anyways, since this was the Happy Planner kit, the washi is smaller compared to the washi strips that come in the Erin Condren kit. And I also used some Simply Gilded washi to put underneath what came with the kit. Here I'm going in to add some decorative items. I used a Bill Do sticker from Organized Magic. She has a sheet of those in her shop, and then I took these half box, I guess they're check boxes since they have a heart where you can check off things, but what I had used this for during the week was just to put something that was a highlight, not necessarily something to check off, and so I put those down for the entire week. So now I am going in with some clear foiled glitter overlay headers. That's a lot to say. I'm putting these over the pink glitter, faux glitter headers that I put down earlier, and I really like doing that because it adds just some extra sparkle and dimension to the kit. I just wanted to show you what I did off camera. I added a bunch of deco, and so I'll just go through that really quickly. I added a Simply Gilded, I guess, washi box. I didn't add, I made this and put that there. And this sticker is from Elle Plan. I used the habit trackers from Organized Magic. They come in a sheet with quite a lot, and so I think that these colors went really well with this birthday kit. This sticky note sticker is from Inspire Ever After, and then since this is my birthday week, I used a birthday countdown that I got from Van Sticky, and so it just says, you know, 6 more days till birthday and so forth. This is also from Van Sticky, and this is the Mona Chibi with the fairish skin and light brown hair. And then this is also from Van Sticky. And then this Bill Do sticker is from Organized Magic, as well as this volunteer sticker. This weekend sticker was from a freebie that I got from Organized Magic. And lastly, this plan sticker is from Live, Life, and Create.